help me? Okay, come help me.
Hey everyone, it's Miss Deepa here with yet again another interesting video. But guys, before we move any further, I want to send special thanks to all my amazing subscribers. You guys are so wonderful. You can't believe the joy I'm having. Just know I appreciate all the love and support you give to this channel. And yes, we are now at 800 plus subscribers, alhamdulillah. Thank you so much, and in case you haven't subscribed to this channel, please don't forget to hit the notification button so you are notified anytime a new video is uploaded to the channel. Let's get this stroller unboxed and see if it lives up to my expectations.
You like it? I like it. You like it?
So today, I'm super excited to unveil my new foldable double stroller that I recently purchased from Amazon. I've been waiting for it to arrive, and I'm thrilled it's finally here. If you've been following my videos on this platform or my other social media channels, you've probably seen me carrying my baby in a carrier. While it's been a lifesaver, it can get tiring carrying my 8-month-old around while keeping an eye on my 4-year-old who loves to explore, especially outdoors. That's why I needed a more practical and versatile solution, and this double stroller seemed like the perfect fit. With 2 little ones to wrangle, I wanted to make sure both girls could enjoy the ride and make our outings easier and more enjoyable. Whether it's running errands, school drop-offs, or just a day out, I'm hoping this stroller will be a game changer for us. If you're enjoying this content, please hit that subscribe button and give me a like. Your support means the world to me. Here I was with my big girl Shania, or Iman as I like to call her. She's always such a big help, alhamdulillah, and since it's my first time trying to put this stroller together, I needed to read the instructions carefully. Unfortunately, my baby Rania was fussy at that moment and it was distracting me. I actually had to mute this part of the video because baby Rania was crying so loud. As a mom, it can be overwhelming when everything falls on your shoulders. I had to pause with the reading and go attend to her before I could finish off with the assembly. Briefly after, I was back in action. Determined to finish assembling this stroller, I ultimately succeeded in attaching the rear wheels. The sense of accomplishment was huge. It felt like decoding a secret, tackling a tricky part of the puzzle. Brimming with pride, I decided to take it apart again to validate my success. Yes, I removed and reattached a wheel to refine this new skill of mine. Better ready than sorry, right? Now I'm sure I'll remember how to do it when it's needed. I involved Iman to help secure the second rear wheel. Who knows what the future holds? Maybe one day my daughters will say, "Mom, we're thankful you taught us something useful." Just like I did, I encouraged Iman to give it another try with the wheel just to help her get the hang of it. I know she's only 4, but I figure it's never too early to start learning, right? I just wanted to clarify something though. Earlier, I mentioned I was working on the rear wheels, but looking back, I realized I was actually referring to the front wheels. Oops, my bad. Guess I got my wheel names mixed up. Honestly, mom brain is real. Mistakes happen sometimes. Anyway, all's good now, and I'm excited to finish assembling our stroller. And now our stroller is almost complete. We're just 1 or 2 steps away, attaching the axle part and the rear wheels, and with everything all set, we'll be good to go. Have you noticed those small giggles? I think baby Rania is eager to join this voiceover. Oh goodness, this little child is simply charming. She truly doesn't want to be left out. How lovely. Anyways, Rania wishes to greet each and everyone watching and enjoying her mama's channel. Lots of love. Guys, attaching the axle was a challenge, particularly figuring out which side was which. The manual's diagrams weren't very helpful and I was getting frustrated. Iman was being incredibly sweet, trying to assist whenever needed. But I was at a standstill. Nothing seemed to be working. I turned to YouTube for guidance, scrolling through countless videos, yet nothing seemed quite right. It was exhausting, and to add to the stress, baby Rania was crying and required attention. At this point, I was feeling torn between assembling the stroller and soothing my baby. Even with all the fatigue I was experiencing, I wasn't thinking about myself. Just the completion of the stroller and my baby Rania. Iman was just there playing with the wheels, pretending they were a steering wheel, lost in her own world. But she was also curious about when I was installing them and why I wasn't consulting the manual anymore. I didn't have any answers for her. She just handed me back the book for another look. Just when I thought I couldn't handle it anymore, Iman gave me a heartfelt kiss on the cheek and said, "I love you, Mama." That melted my heart. Guys, I couldn't take it anymore, especially with the fact that I had not found the right method to connect the axle to the stroller. Yet, my body was telling me something else. I needed to rest for a moment. I lay down flat on the floor, but Rania's cries were quite troublesome. I realized the stroller could wait, but my baby needed me. I got up to care for Rania, feeling a bit lightheaded in the process. It was a reminder that sometimes priorities need to shift and family comes first. Hey guys, guess what happened? While heading toward the front door, I spotted something odd. It appeared a bit threatening. I couldn't really identify it, but it seemed dangerous. I quickly placed baby Rania back in the stroller that was still in progress and told Iman to keep away so I could figure out how to remove this thing from the house. I shut the other bedroom door to limit its access, grabbed the hard slippers, struck it twice, and it stopped moving. Iman was acting like a child who deliberately does the contrary when told not to do something. Oh dear, this kid. I had to strike it again and then attempted to find the broom to sweep it outside, but remembered the broom was just outside. So I used the sturdy slipper I had in hand to nudge it out of the house. Despite my fear, I had to appear courageous to prevent Iman from getting too scared. But only Allah knows what that mysterious thing was. In this spot, we were captivated by singing I love you songs to one another. Nevertheless, I'm grateful that after a short break and searching on YouTube, I finally stumbled upon a video showcasing the exact stroller I owned, complete with assembly instructions, allowing me to reattach the axle and leftover parts.
Here, get up, get up, get up, get up, get up. No, help me. Hold here. Get up, get up, get up, get up. Hold here. Hold here. Hold it. Hold me, two hands, two hands. No, there. Put it with your two hands, hold it. Good. Good, girl, stand up. Pull it out. Good. That was helpful, okay? Come on, stay there. You're gonna tell me again, okay? Okay. I'm gonna move like this. Come on. Alright, come on. Hold it.
If you've been with us since the beginning of the video, please understand I truly value your presence. I wish to use this chance to convey my thanks once again to my cherished subscribers. Guys, we've exceeded 800 subscribers and are progressively expanding, inshallah. And as you can see now, the double stroller is all set to goo goo goo. Hooray! And baby Rania is so happy about it, as you can hear from her background sounds. Finally, the kids can enjoy a ride in the stroller around the home for a short while. It's been a truly demanding day, but guess what? We've achieved it, alhamdulillah. I hope my storytelling was to your liking, despite being segmented due to interruptions from mom duties. Still, I think I managed well to guide you through the stroller assembly journey.
You can always figure this out later. Yeah. I'll put it here. For now, I'm gonna ride you, baby. Are you ready? Yeah. Do you like it? I don't want it. Do you like this stroller? Good. Akan kamu kapan? Mbak dia main kapan? Orang gue jadi stroller efeknya. Asukin aku yang lagi siap.
Share your location, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.
Hold on a minute. You like it? Yeah, I like it. You like it? Good? Yes, I get it. Now? Look at me. Yeah, Come on. Let's go. Come on. Come on here. Come on. Oh, come here. Come here. Come here. Both. Let's roll out. 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 Okay, say bye. 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 Look there. Bye.
Bye.